February 29th, 2012, we finally got winter. This is all freshly plowed snow around here. There's my tractor to give you an idea how much snow there is. I'll go out in the roadway to show you how much snow there is. There's drifts about to my waist deep. So there's a snow pile here. My leg next to it, so even if you shape myself here. It's about knee height. About, I don't know, 18 inches we got overnight. As you can see, the roads haven't even been plowed yet. Cars still buried under snow. So look at the minivan here, you can get an idea how much snow we got. It's hard to see it. Trees in the way. But yeah. Just tons of snow. Really heavy, packy, wet snow. I mean, look at the roof. Look at the drifts on my roof. So, well, I guess Winter finally decided to come join us this year. So, I'm in the process of getting this all cleaned up, and yeah, hopefully this is the end of it. Hopefully spring's here now.